In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name quickly in CapCut. Whether you're rebranding, correcting a typo, or simply want a fresh start, updating your display name in CapCut is a simple process that ensures your projects and collaborations reflect your preferred identity. CapCut is a powerful video editing tool, and if you're new to the platform, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step so you can complete this task effortlessly. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start editing today. Now, let's dive right into it. First, begin by opening the CapCut app on your device. This is the starting point for making any changes to your account details. Before you proceed, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Using an outdated version might cause glitches or make some options harder to find, so it's always a good idea to check for updates beforehand. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon or your username. This is where all your account details are managed depending on your device. You'll typically find the profile icon at the bottom of the screen or along the side of the workspace. If you don't immediately spot it, take a moment to scan the interface carefully, as its position might vary slightly depending on your app version. Now, go ahead and tap or click on your profile icon or username. This step brings you directly to your account settings, which is where you'll be able to edit your display name. Once you're there, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the settings icon. It's usually represented by a small gear symbol and can be found in the upper right corner of the screen. If you don't see it right away, just take a second look at the top corners. It's easy to miss if you're navigating quickly. Tap or click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. This is the hub for personalizing your account and making adjustments. Within this menu, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Basic Settings. This part of the menu contains essential options for managing your account, including the ability to change your display name. Once you're in the Basic Settings section, find the field that shows your current name. Tap or click on it to make the field editable. This step allows you to type in your new display name. Remember, this is how your name will appear to collaborators and in project credits, so it's worth taking a moment to think about what you'd like your new name to be. Go ahead and type your new name into the editable field. As you do this, double-check for any typos or errors before moving on. It's always better to catch mistakes now rather than having to redo the process later. Once you're confident everything looks good, the final step is to save your changes. Tap or click the Save button to confirm your new name. This is a crucial step because your changes won't be applied unless you save them. After saving, the app may take a few moments to update your information. Don't worry if you don't see the change immediately. CapCut usually refreshes fairly quickly. If you're using multiple devices, keep in mind that the update might take slightly longer to sync across all of them. And that's it. You've successfully updated your display name in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.